If you are using the default latest strength index 14 for crypto, oh, you are already late. Meanwhile, you will be losing trade every time. So wait, today I will show you the best latest strength index settings that actually works in crypto markets. Mostly everybody we are using latest strength index 14 to do everything in crypto, which means you are already wrong. You will be losing money. So today I'll be teaching you best strategy to use and how to use it in crypto trading. Now, first thing, what you have to do now is to go to your indicator and search related strength index, which is RX. When you search related strength index, click it. Related strength index is always show below the chart. This is it. And this is where we are going to. If you see this place, you will see related strength index 14. This is always the default setting for related strength index in every crypto market. But one thing, let me explain this related strength index 14 for all of you guys so that you will know when to enter the trade and when to exit, and then the main strategy you are using it for. First thing is that RSI you already know is to measure momentum, both overbought and oversold, and then this is why crypto trading need different settings. Firstly is that you see this latest strength in the 14, this is RS 14 is always good for swing trading, which means the pair that is good for is BTC and ETH, and then the time frame that is work for this one is 4 hour time frame and then 1 day time frame. This is the best time frame that works for this one is 4 hour time frame and then one daily time frame, because this related strength index 14 is basically for swing trading. So that is the number one for this related strength index 14. The second one, we have related strength index 9. So if you want to change it to related strength index 9, just come to these places, click on settings. So you see this input, just type it and click on 9 and then okay. You will see it will change settings. You see it's already changed another settings, which means this is related strength index 9. This related strength index 9 is always used for scalping and intraday. Are you with me? It's always used for scalping and intraday, and the time frame that work for this one is 5 minutes to 15 minutes time frame, which means this one is basically for scalping and intrading, which means the first one, which is rated straight index 14, that is always show for everybody, that one is always good for swing trading. That is why you keep losing every day following your strategy, changing from every MACD to RSI to EMA. The only thing you have to know is to how to set your related strength index. The third one you have is related strength index 21. Let's go back to related strength index 21 so that we can follow what we are doing. This is 21, right? This is related strength 21. You see it's already changed the momentum, which means this related strength 21 is always for strong trends. It's always good for 1 hour time frames to 4 hours time frames. So this one is for strong trends alone. You can only use this related strength index to follow the trends, which means to use this one, you will draw your trends line and then follow it. You see, this is it. It's already followed the trend. So this is the settings and then the works of the related strength index, which means if the default settings, which is related strength index 14, is always used for swing trading. The second one is related strength index 9 is only used for scalping and in trading, which the last one is related strength index 21 you are seeing is always used for trendings in the market. So there are pro strategy that's related strength index you have to master. Firstly, if you want to be a successful trader, don't use only indicator alone. You have to use related strength index for support and resistance. So you have to sell when related strength index like this, when it's already oversold at support, and then you have to buy when related strength index is oversold at support, and then you have to sell when related strength index is overbought at resistance level. Now let's quickly draw the support and resistance level so that we can understand what we are doing here. So this is, let's choose the major resistance for us. So let's draw the support, and then we have support here. and then we have support here too. We have support here too. So what I'm teaching you, what we are explaining to ourselves is that if you look at these places and then if you look at these places, you will see we have 40 something. We have 40 something, and then if you look at these places, we have 30 something, which means at this 30 something, you have to look down. You have to look down to your trading and then wait till you see bullish candle, and then what, you will enter buy section. So at this point, you see there is resistance here. There is resistance here. What happen here is that you have to wait. If you want to sell at this point, you have to wait for the next candle to be bearish. After the next candle will be bearish, that means it's already telling you that the seller have already entered the market. You too can sell the price, and if you see it, it's already go and come down. So that's the major way to use support and resistance line with related strength index. How will you use this to related strength index? Is to master related strength index when related strength index is already at 70%. You know the market is already oversold at that moment. So there are common mistake RSI, there are common related strength index mistake most trader always use is firstly using only related strength index indicator is always wrong. You have to use related strength index with the support and the resistance level, and then you have to point just because related strength index is oversold. No, always wait for the confirmation before you buy any crypto trading, and then always wait for the confirmation before you sell any crypto trade. It's either from the bullish candle or from the other things. So secondly is ignoring trend direction. You have to always follow the direction. If say you see the direction that is long or that's bullish in market, but you look at the latest rate index is already 70 and 75, you are going on short without no confirmation of bearish candle. That means you are doing some mistake there. The last one is using same settings for all markets. You have to master the latest trend index, the type of the market they are. You have to know what latest trade index 21 is doing in the market, what latest trade index 14 is doing in the market, what latest trade index 9 is doing in the market. They have different things. You have to always know what you are doing in the market. Maybe you are following the trend, or you are doing the scalping, or you are into swing trading. So if this help you today, like this video, subscribe and comment related trades in this. I will make sure I reply to every trader that's interested in the PDF that follows the guides. My name is Neti Sodiq. Follow up. Love you guys.